Today, guys, we're going to do turkey chili. My daughter Ashley's turkey chili. Okay, we've got some ingredients here. We've got a nice porcelain cast pot, and we've got 1.25 pounds of lean ground turkey meat. All right, so we're going to start chopping and hacking here. Ashley's going to take over. Got that, Ash? Mm-hmm. All right, let's start by breaking the pepper open. Ash, what are we gonna dice this, or how do you want to do it, Ash? Talk to me.
Yeah.
You want it squares? Mm-hmm. Okay, so Ashley's telling me to just vary the size off and on. Okay, so there's our green. We can get that in the pot. Actually, let's throw some olive oil in there. Okay, we've got oil on the bottom. Make sure your hands are clean. Okay. We'll get the green onion in there. Let me chop up the green pepper and the red pepper. And we'll get the onion and the garlic in there. So we have all the red pepper in there, the green pepper. We've got the onion in there. We've got some oil in the bottom. And we'll get this translucent, a little more oil. And we'll just add a little bit of salt to help break that down a little bit, Ash, right?
Yeah. All
right, let's get some garlic in there, Ash. Make sure you got a wooden spoon to stir that. Okay, give that a stir. Let's get this translucent. Looks good already, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Really nice. We'll get this translucent, and then we'll add the turkey. Turkey turns white, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Sauteing. Ashley is going to drain her kidney beans. She likes to drain them, so I have one dark here and one regular red. 2 cans. She's going to go do that. Loosen enough. We're going to add our ground turkey now. Break that up and stir this around until it gets cooked. Then we can add the rest of the ingredients. A lot of people will cook the turkey first, but I like to get my veggies translucent first. Now it can cook with the meat and add flavor into the meat. Let that get turned white a little bit. That's looking good. Just stir it until it turns white, until it looks like a high-grade dog food. Nice, okay, and then put a little salt in there. 1/2 teaspoon. Some ground black pepper. I like to make it rough. That looks good. Give that a spin. Now we're going to add some oregano, Ash. Teaspoon of oregano, Ash?
Yeah.
Teaspoon or tablespoon?
Just gauge it.
Okay, it's about a teaspoon. What about red pepper? Talk to me.
Same color.
Teaspoon?
Yeah.
Teaspoon of red. Now let's straighten you out. And we're going to do 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder. 1.5 tablespoons.
Yeah.
I make it 2. 2 of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of cumin. 1 tablespoon of cumin. Okay, let's stir that around, guys. With our wooden spoon. We don't want to ruin our pan here. Okay, that's going to spice it up nice. I like to just put my spices in first, like I said, so that gets into the meat also. Then we can add our beans and our sauce. Ashley's going to add the beans now. And just lower that for a minute. So you're adding all your beans. She has the dark red there, and then she's going to do the regular red. And she has a can of puree tomato sauce. Medium-sized can.
You should do like that much.
Or 1/2 can. Okay.
Then the whole thing.
Then a whole thing of diced tomato.
Oops.
Yeah, throw the cover in there. That's good. So, okay, now we're going to give that a big spin around. Okay, good job. And we're going to simmer this for how long, Ash, do you think?
I don't know, maybe
Half hour? 45?
Yeah, and I add a little water too.
We could add some water to it. Okay. So let's get that stirred around and we'll add a little bit of water. That's looking really good already. So Ash is going to add a can of water. Yeah, full can, because that's going to boil off, right? Just give that a quick spin. And we'll put the cover on for like 20 minutes so that we don't get any evaporation, and then we can take it off for another 15, 20 to thicken up. Okay, Ash, so get that on there. We'll see you guys in 20 minutes. Okay, guys, that's been 20 minutes. We did put it down on low there. We took the cover off. Now I'm going to cook this an additional 15. Just let it thicken up a little bit. Then we'll get that plated up. So this is the time we just want to give it a little test. Little taste test for our spices. Test it if you want to add a little more salt, a little more pepper, a little more heat. Add it now. Just add a little bit of more heat, a little more of the chili powder. We'll mix that in. Okay, let that cook down. Guys, that's been 15 minutes. It's thickened up nicely. I'm gonna plate this up, grab some cheese and some garnishes for the top. We'll check it out in a second here. It's looking really good. It's starting to melt there now. And just give that a little taste test there. Wow, it's really hot. Wow. Ashley, fantastic. Really good job. Guys, you gotta try this one. Really, really good. Obviously, you can use ground beef if you want to, but turkey keeps a little less fat, you know. But Bella's already at my heels here, so I like to do it right here. A little bit on the chip. Give it a little bite. Man. So good, so good. Enjoy, folks. Rock and roll, baby. See you on the next vid. Oh, it's too hot. It's too hot for you. Look at that tail going. Too hot now. I'm sorry. Next time. You're a dog. Next time. Aww.